Today, I would like to test my Blazed API. This API is something I've been working on for a very long time now, and it's the main reason why I haven't been uploading. It's because I have no time to upload, from school mostly, and also this project. It'll take me a long time. And yeah, hope you like it. To start off, the only thing you really have to do is import client from ./API/index.js. Everything you would want to import from the API, you import from this index.js. Since as you can see, it already exports like everything. And when you do const client equals new client, you also have options here, which is an object. Only has command currently, and you see on the side, enable prefix, invalid command error, invalid permission error. Very nice. Everything you do will revolve around the client. So if I do client dot, you can see command say based off on once options run command roll. Oh yeah, speaking of which, I have comments on every single thing. So yeah, if you don't know something, just look at the comments there on everything. Client dot on is the main thing. Don't question all this, just put in a string. You have all this. Doesn't seem like much whenever compared to roll.events, but these are like the main things you'd use. I'll probably add more later based on recommendations. Yeah, I'd say the main thing is probably chat. Let's make some chat rings with my API. Do comma data. So if we do data dot, we can cancel the event, the message that was sent, and the player that chatted. Instead of doing data.cancel equals true, it error, data.cancel is a method. Do data.cancel with parentheses, and it works. Alright. Also, data dot message dot message string is exactly what was sent. The main thing here, data dot player. Yeah, I have a few things here. This is what took by far the most time doing all this. The main way I did it is by looking at BDSX and trying to replicate as much as I could. There's still a lot more I can add. I'd say some of the harder things here to do are the is over here. Is jumping, moving on fire, sleeping, sneaking, sprinting, swimming, and is using item. We're not going to be using that though. We're going to be just using hashtag. And then the tag to test for. So if data dot player dot hashtag admin, then return, whenever you put the return statement here, and that means nothing past here will happen. Meaning code past here will only happen if you do not have the tag of admin. So client dot world dot broadcast. I'm not adding any color right now because I'm too lazy to get the color thing. Data dot player dot get name. Data dot message. Alright. So if they don't have the admin tag, this won't run, meaning that they're a member. So I don't have to put another if statement since it's not gonna happen. Member. If I were to go over here, it looks pretty ugly, not gonna lie here. Let me make it look a lot better. Boom. So yeah, this is the exact same in JavaScript. Just wanted to showcase that. You can use TypeScript or JavaScript. It has support for both. Already going into Minecraft now. This is a world. It's already loaded up with the API / reload. Hi chat. It's gonna say member because I don't have admin tag, so if I / tag it as admin and try to talk again, now it says admin. So this is very similar to what we did on my first tutorial on Gametest, just a lot simpler to at least read. And it doesn't lag. It doesn't lag for the most part. Let's try something else. Client on. What's a cool thing? Let's just do tick. Let's have something run every single tick. There's nothing to import here. But import like current tick or something. I don't know. Client dot. Oh yeah. So it's client dot world dot get all players dot for each player. And so now this code in here will run every tick for every player. So let's do if player dot is sprinting. We'll just do player dot message. You are sprinting. I just want to showcase these is things over here. So is sprinting. If I were to walk normally, then seeing top, nothing much. So moment I start sprinting, it says you are sprinting. So yeah, very useful. Player dot is sneaking maybe. Start sneaking. It says you are sprinting. I'm so stupid. So if I start sneaking, you are sneaking. It's very cool. The way I did this is just by hooking up animation controller to player.json. A bunch of them. These are, if you're trying to merge a player.json, you can easily do that. This is the only thing I have on mine. So, yeah, I made it as easy to merge as possible. And yeah. Those are the main things I want to touch on. But there are a couple more things. Client.commands.create. Where I put string, you can see everything. There's not much. Name, aliases, description, permissions. Very simple. So name, test, description, test command. And I don't really care about aliases or permissions right now. Then I come over here in between this here, comma, data, dot args and player. So data dot player dot is everything a player normally does. Even that's kick and kill. That's pretty cool. It's also data dot args, which is just the arguments. So if I were to do the command, let's do dash test tomato, then args would be an array of tomato. Alright, I hope you understand that. So data.player.message, you use the test command. It's just to showcase it. There's one more thing you have to do if you remember from the beginning. You're here, and you command enabled true. And while we're here, if you look over the other stuff, invalid command error, the error message for inputting of invalid command, and valid permission error, the error message for inputting a command without valid permissions. That's what this permissions here is. It's permissions and tags, by the way. There's also prefix, which by default, this is where the information, Um, this is just something. The default prefix is dash. Dash is the. And yeah, hope you're good with that. Party/reload. Do dash here. Since commands are enabled, it's gonna say invalid command. So, whatever. Even if I'm doing really close to test, like test, not gonna work. I'm gonna do dash test. It's gonna say you used the test command. And yeah, hope that's informative. If you really want to, if you want to use this API, you should go to my GitHub, Blazed API, code, download zip, and put it in your development behavior packs. And I hope you enjoyed. There are just a bunch more things that you can import. Let's go through here. Utils.js is a bunch of cool things. Set tick timeout, clear tick timeout, broadcast message, bunch of location functions, run commands, wait, and yeah. Item, yes, that's something I haven't gone over. Sorry for making guys wait. Get held item, that's the item that they're holding. So for me it'd be grass right now, that's air. Get held item dot bunch of nice item things. Add enchant equals test2 equal get amount components data enchant ID item stack lore name component has remove enchant set. Just a bunch of stuff. Main thing here are the enchant stuff. I could do add enchant. So this is alright, sorry. Put an object. We have the enchant. We have a full list of all the enchants. Plus prototype, but I'm too lazy to get rid of that. Prototype is not a valid enchant. So guild item, let's give it fortune. And the level be 5, no 4. If you're going to do that, you would have to do const item equals this item, and then data player set held item to item. The reason I have to do this is because while you are adding an enchant to that item, the item is only gotten from the held item. It's not like attached to it, so you have to set it back. Slash reload. Hash give as diamond pickaxe. Dash chest. Unexpected time and what? Yeah, I'm guessing my add enchant methods are a little broken. By the time this video is released, that'll definitely be fixed. Sorry for that inconvenience there. I just hope that you're okay with all this. Oh, get log. This is a big one. This is a log. Alright. It's pretty much just a map, if you know what that is, but attached to every player individually. So let's say client.on. Let's say whenever player joins, player.getlog dot set tomato to e. Alright, I'm bad at names. So whenever they join, it's immediately set. So we can just data player dot message getlog dot get tomato. So it should output e, right? Well, currently it won't. It's not going to output anything since nothing's there. because it's the player join event. So if you want it to work, you would have to leave and rejoin, and then it'll work. Dash test again. Now it does E. Yep, I think that's a good enough to showcase. There's more things like database system, it's more to do with world, get current tick, dimension, there's just a whole bunch of things. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this API. I hope you guys test something with it, find bugs. If you find bugs, put in some issues in the GitHub or comment on the video. And yeah, see ya.